Hi everyone, I'm going to teach you how to play Arabesque in A minor, which is from the course of Trinity College London 2019 to 2022 syllabus. It will be applicable in the year 2023 as an extra year. And let's get into the video of this grade 2 piece. So I'm going to teach you how to play Arabesque in A minor. This is the first part on mezzo forte. So in this song, you don't need to change the dynamic with the volume button because there is hardly any time. So in that, you can just directly do it with your keyboard functions. You can press the functions button and you can go to the next categories and you can come to touch resistance and make it medium or hard. So in this case, you'll have to press hard to make it mezzo forte and soft to make it mezzo piano. So let's start the first part of the song. The first left hand is going to be on A minor and the right is going to be on the A note, which is the third octave. So let's make the tempo 70. Here we go. So A minor on A minor, D minor, A minor, C, E7, A minor, D minor, A minor, C, G7, C. This whole thing has to be repeated 2 times. Alright, so this is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to this octave. Remember where the staccatos and the diminuendos are. So 3, 3, 4, 2. These are all staccato and this is a legato. 2. Okay, this is all staccato. Repeat it. Again, staccato part. Now you go to the octave. Yeah, so this entire thing has to be repeated 2 times. So once you've repeated this entire thing 2 times, I'm going to show you at the regular tempo how it is played and then I'll show you how we do it. So this is mezzo piano. If you can bring down the volume, good. If you can't, press it softer. Here we go. How did we do this part? Remember, we go to the E note now. So you can press an E on the left hand or E, G sharp and B. So E major, A minor. How do we switch from the root position of E major to A minor inversion? E, G sharp B, E, A, C, E, G sharp B, E, A, C. You can play the inversion of A minor or this inversion of A minor, which is a C, E, A. So that is up to you. So from the 9th bar, E major, A minor, E major, A minor. Now we come to A major. You can pull this finger up to a C sharp, E, A, C sharp, A major, D minor, and E in the end, A minor. D minor, change the chord, E7 to A minor 2, E7 to A minor 2, D minor, A minor, D minor, nothing, and then at the end A minor and stop. right hand is gonna be like from bar number 9. It's a G sharp, so 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from the 5 you can do 4, 2, 3, 1, then switch your hands up, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, or 5, 2. I'm going to show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. And now from bar 13, repeat the first riff of arabesque, which is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you need to come to this B. See the sheet music, it is on the lower end. So 2, 2, 3, 1, 5, 2, 2, 3. From here we start this riff from bar 16, half 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. You have an option to skip to the next octave, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and come back to the regular octave, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch the octave again and inversion of an A minor, which is C, E, A. So this is the first inversion of A minor, and that's arabesque in A minor for you. See you.